Hi everybody, this is Joe with Joe's Premium Firewood, bringing in another fun-filled, exciting video. Today's video I'm going to be doing a product review of the Fiskars this is actually a Fiskars PRO IsoCore 8-pound maul, and I'll be testing it out on these pieces of ash, and there's a couple pieces of elm in there, and just throwing it in the truck. But once I get done with that, I'm going to be splitting an oversized truckload and delivering it. So far this morning, I've already delivered. I went over to Gary's and bought a truckload of oak and delivered that, stacked it. And then I delivered 75 bundles to the campground I supplied. And I had these, this hybrid t-shirt made for me. I also had a hoodie made for me. And then I had a hoodie made for the customer. Pretty sharp looking, isn't it? But back to the video. If this is your first time here, welcome. I had to make this is my second YouTube channel. The first one was stolen by scammers, and so I'm trying to get that back. But in the meantime, I'm going to be doing daily uploads of anything and everything related to firewood. And like I say, I was going to do a video of the delivery today, but I guess the bigwigs up front don't allow that. So I had to make a video of something. And Jesse 112693, check out his channel. He sent me that, and the video from yesterday, I'll post a link at the end of the video for that. And he sent those to me just to test them out. So I'm going to give her some hell. Obviously, I got the splitter. You know, the main reason I need a maul is when I'm in the woods and I get a piece this big that weighs as much as me. And guess what, Pam? I'm not light. You know, so I got to lift up them big heavy pieces. And instead of cutting them with a saw, I use the maul or use the saw and the maul to do that. But yeah. Oh, and I wanted to give a shout out to the Italian Guido. Just wanted to say thanks for watching and supporting. Also wanted to let you know Mike didn't show up today, so he's worked 4 days in the last 20 days. But you know, he's going to be disappointed. I want to show you what I had made. Had Bill make them for him. Check out. You know, he likes wearing sleeveless shirts when he works, Mountain Man. See where it says game changer? I think I'm going to have to take that back to Bill and have it say game player. So if you do enjoy my videos and you're new here, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, please. Just because my other channel had 3,300 subscribers. About halfway there now. I think last I checked this morning I was at 543. That's not bad for being having the channel for like less than 40 days. All right, like I say, I'll give you another close-up look at this. Very well built. I have an 8-pound maul myself, but it's not this sharp, and it's already getting dirty. But you know, I guess Fiskars is one of the best in the industry. A lot of you guys out there say you have them and do the wood with this. Oh, and Jake Kellogg says he can split faster with a maul than he can with my slow splitter, which maybe you're a better man than me, but there's no way in hell, you know, I'm going to be 50 years old here in a month. There's no way in hell I'm going to do this. You're going to watch me struggle with this for about 5 or 10 minutes just to get these little pieces in. It would take me probably 10 times as long to split using a maul than it would that splitter. Let's see how this does. I'm splitting it on the ground as opposed to up in the on top of another block like I did in yesterday's video. Let's see how it works. I like the feel of it. One thing about the log splitter, it only takes one hit. Neighbors are shooting guns, so sorry about that. How's my technique? You know, I gotta stop and bend over and pick them up. Jesus. That one hit right in the middle. Oh, now I gotta throw them in. This one needs one more hit. You know, you gotta balance them. Yeah. All right, that piece is done. Now, bend over, pick up every piece. As opposed to splitting it on there and throwing them in one at a time. All right, here's a piece of elm. That split easy. As long as my aim's right. Not bad. Another piece of ash. Right to balance it. And a lot of people said try hitting it on the side and break pieces off instead of trying to split it in half. Like that. But then, you know, get real small pieces. It's another reason I don't have a 4-way on there. I like controlling the shape and size of the slices of the pieces. I find that just as important as the species of the wood and being dry and whatnot. Somebody was saying, if you get stuck like this, you can take another, let me grab something. And this is the maul I've had for 5 years. You can pound it through like a wedge. Ouch! I don't know about hitting that hardened steel. I need you know. Yeah, seriously, what's faster, a log splitter or a maul? Come on now. I'll tip my hat to Justin Riley in the Firewood Sellers group on Facebook. Go ahead and join that. He said he did about 800 face cord just with a maul. You guys like watching me struggle? Lots of times I struggle in videos. So if you enjoy that kind of stuff, subscribe. Let's see, there is a knot right inside there. These pieces with the log splitter, would have only taken me less than 2 minutes probably. Maybe 3. But it's a nice splitter. You know, I think it's quality built. Stand it back up. And it's getting all dirty, getting pounded on the ground. Gunshot. If my aim's good and I got all my power into it, it does split. I mean, right through it. Last piece of elm. Oh, come on. Gotta fight me to the end, don't they? Oh my God. You know, you can order JPF merchandise by going to Backspin's Graphics. Get your own. Yeah, I'm out of breath, Pam. Shocker, right? You still watching, Jake Kellogg? I think you guys had enough fun watching me struggle with this. But yeah, you see all that? I can split an oversized truckload in under an hour. And how long did that take me? That's hardly anything. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.